The College of Physiotherapists of Ontario. How to make sure you meet the candidate technology requirements for the Ontario Clinical Exam. The Ontario Clinical Exam, or OCE, is a virtual exam. Candidates will take the OCE from a location of their choice, like their home or office. There is no centralized testing center for the OCE. As a candidate, it's your responsibility to make sure that you meet the technology requirements to take the exam. This video will summarize the candidate technology requirements but does not provide every detail. Be sure to review the full guidance on the college website. Making sure that you meet the technology requirements and that you conduct all recommended tests is the only way to set yourself up for a successful exam. Let's get started. All testing must be done using the device you plan to use on exam day. You should also be in the exact location where you plan to complete the exam. If you are unable to meet the requirements, you must find a different location or use a different device. You must use a desktop or laptop computer to complete the exam. You can only use one screen during the exam. You must unplug and remove any additional screens. You cannot use a tablet or smartphone. A portable webcam is required, and a wired headset is strongly recommended. Your camera must be on for the entire exam, and you will complete a security check and room scan before starting the exam. If you are using a work computer, be sure to check the firewall settings. Your webcam, screen share, headset, and microphone must function properly. Check with your IT department if you have any questions. It's your responsibility to make sure the device functions on exam day. For the best internet connection, have the Ethernet cable plugged directly into your device, or use an internet booster if your router is less accessible. Perform speed tests on your internet using the same device you plan to use on exam day. A minimum of 3.0 megabytes per second upload and download speed is required. You cannot hotspot your internet connection. Make sure your computer has the most up-to-date operating system with enough storage space. Conduct the Amazon Chime test to make sure your device can meet the requirements for exam day. You should have 0 errors. Check all requirements and run all tests well before your exam day. Retest leading up to your exam, including a couple of hours before your exam, to make sure nothing has changed. Remember, it is your responsibility to test your device and internet connection and resolve any issues that you encounter before your exam. If you are unable to meet these requirements, your exam may be declared invalid. An invalid exam counts as one of your clinical exam attempts. Before your exam, you must review the complete candidate technology requirements at collegept.org/Ontario-clinical-exam. If you have any questions, please email exam@collegept.org or call 1-800-583-5885, extension 215.